Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a device on your Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's begin. To add a new device on your Google Play Store is just simple and easy. Just grab your phone or the device that you want to add your Google Play Store, and then just go to Google Play Store. After that, go to the profile page. Next, tap to your account, and then tap on Add another account. Now we just need to log in to your Google Play Store account. We weren't able to see this entire process for safety reasons. And now, right here, we need to log in to your account, and then we just need to wait to verify your account. And then sign in to your Google account with your email or your phone number. And then just tap on Next. That's it! Your Google Play Store account is now logged into another device. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.